My brothers and sisters, we commence in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We send blessings and salutations on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his household, his companions. We ask Allah to bless them and to bless every one of us. My brothers and sisters, Allah Azza wa Jal doesn't need us, but we need Allah in every aspect of our life. Allah doesn't need you. Allah doesn't need your salah. Allah doesn't need your fasting. Allah doesn't need your money. Allah doesn't need your time. Allah doesn't need your dawah. Allah doesn't need your beard. Allah owes you nothing. Allah Azza wa Jal is free from all, from anything. Allah Azza wa Jal needs nothing and no one. We need Him. So don't be fooled. Don't let Shaitan play with your mind. In Hadith Qudsi, Allah Azza wa Jal says, Ya ibadi, O my slaves, if the first of you to the last of you, the human of you and the jinn of you, if you were all to come together to collectively, all, not some, all of you would to come together collectively to worship me and worship me and worship me until you become like the most pure heart amongst you. This doesn't increase my greatness in any way, shape or form. And the opposite is true, you little gangster. Ya ibadi, O my slaves, if all of you, the human of you and the jinn of you, if you were all to come together collectively and all of you were to sin and do whatever you desire, do whatever you think makes you look cool and hectic on the streets. Allah says clearly, if all of you, not some, if all of you were to do it collectively until you become like the most criminal heart amongst you, this doesn't take anything away from my mulk in any way, shape or form. Allah doesn't need anyone. Allah doesn't need anyone. He is Al-Malik. He is free. You are the destituted ones to Allah. يُسَبِّحُ لَهُ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ. Everything in the heaven and the earth glorify Allah, and He is the most mighty, the most wise. He is the first and the last, the outwith and the inwith. He has the knowledge of all things. هُوَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ فِي سِتَّةِ أَيَّامٍ ثُمَّ اسْتَوَى عَلَى الْعَرْشِ. He is Allah, created the heavens and the earth in 6 days. Then He established Himself on the throne. He knows everything that comes out of the earth and everything that goes into the earth. And He is with you wherever you may be. And Allah Almighty sees everything that you don't. He is the first. He has no beginning. And the last, He will have no end. Despite the passage of these infinite years, Allah has never slept. This is Allah, and we need Him. Allah doesn't need us.